Alright guys, so today talking about BMW, and I've made a video like this before, been a long time ago. BMW has some problems, and it's kind of been the elephant in the room for a while. I haven't really said too much about it. Other YouTubers have stated this, but BMW has some build quality issues. A lot of you guys are like, yeah, no kidding. At this point in time, BMW has known there's been a problem with this for a long time. They don't want to fix it. Why does a car manufacturer have all these issues and just keep repeating the same mistakes over and over again? It all comes down to money, right? The bean counters want things just so to capitalize the most money. Anything different, that's not going to happen, right? In the very end, it is a enterprise to make cash. Making high quality cars comes second or third or fourth. And a lot of you guys don't agree with this, but as we get to the newer and newer cars, and I want to go buy a newer BMW, but then you look at them and the body style is getting weird on a lot of these. A lot of the F and G series start to look like Buicks on the outside. And just the sheer brutal amount of electronic problems they have, that now you have to have their e-system, which you can't get anywhere. You have to be, a rocket scientist to be able to even do any of this stuff. Then you take it to the dealer to get it done. It's thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, and even they can't fix it, and it's a big mess. And that's where you're at with it. That reflects on the price of these cars and how these cars nosedive from they come out brand new. They just tank, right? And then you see the car is 4 or 5 years old. That was a $100,000 car, is now 5, 6, 7, 8 grand. And we see a lot of these with the 7 Series, things like that. These cars lose value so fast at a rate so high, I can't even tell what a good price even is, right? And between rod bearing problems and all these issues, there's a problem. There's a bad problem. And you guys see with the E90 stuff, E39 stuff, through the years, the cars I've had on the channel, they just consume parts and money from you constantly. And there is no side and end. And I'm getting old. I don't want to buy a car I have to work on every single day, and I'm afraid to drive it to the store down the road or it'll break down. And so when it came time to buy a new BMW for the channel, I didn't. I bought the Porsche for the Porsche channel. And, at that point in time, the BMW channel was making really good money. It still is, really good. I thought, why would I go spend $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 on a car for this channel when two things are wrong? One, it's going to have problems. The warranty probably is not going to cover. Two, are people really going to watch? And if you look at the last how many BMW videos I did, the answer is no, they won't. They won't watch, right? And I think a lot of that reason is many reasons. There's a lot of people doing BMW videos right now, so there's a lot of the market's saturated, very saturated. Two, a lot of viewers that I had before that had BMWs no longer have them because they sold them, they got sick of them. And three, a lot of you guys are afraid to buy these cars for the same reason I'm afraid to buy them anymore. What is a good price? I really don't know. The M5 seems to be holding good on price, but there again, that was what, a $103,000 car. Maybe mine's worth 17 to 20, and maybe if you find the right buyer. When I go to sell that car was like good to go. When I go to sell that car, whoever buys it, I can't say, yeah, this is a good car, this is going to drive wherever you want, never have a problem, because it won't. Just won't. Right? Same with the E90. We need to sell the E90. But it has a lot of issues still. Even after all the thousands of dollars I spent on it, all the time I spent on it, it still has issues that are going to keep somebody from daily driving that car. Problematic, right? So instead of buying that car, I bought the G63 because it's still two things: still under warranty, makes big power. It's a bigger SUV than even an X5, different class, and it's different, right? So I bought this car to attract in a lot of the Mercedes guys. Mercedes guys don't watch my channel, right? It's a BMW channel. So now they have something to look at. That G63 engine is also using C63, E63, CLS63, ML63, on and on and on, right? It's a common engine. It's twin turbo V8, all right? So I don't know. I mean, that's kind of where we're at with it. What's going to be the end result with BMW? I really don't know. I hope they're not looking at bankruptcy, but they probably are. If they don't change something soon, they're going to turn to Jaguar, being independently traded from company to company to company, and nobody really wants them because it's a nightmare, right? Range Rover, same way. And right now, Range Rover's with what, Tata in India? I think it's India. I don't even know. I haven't researched anything with the Range Rover or Jaguar in years. So that's where we're at with things. At a weird situation, as everything else this year. It's a weird situation, right? But this has been a decade's build-up, and it'll come to a head. Something will explode in the company, personnel-wise, and there'll be a big falling out, or some kind of scandal, or something will go on. In the end, hopefully BMW gets it together. They go back to being a decent company. But today, right now, in 2020, we're not there yet with them. It's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you later.